Hello and welcome back to Squishy's Garage. Today we're showing off this foam cutter I made long ago just for cutting out component bays in your wing. And this is the easiest way I have found. The key to this method is going to Jacobs Online, where they have lots of products, information, and also calculators to make hot wire cutters. Here I bought a transformer and also Nicron wire to make my own tools and foam cutter.
Gets really hot.
Yeah, it gets hot, but I also need to cut it doesn't fit. So I turn on to like medium heat, and I'll turn on here. And then this is the tool I made, like this. And then it goes like this.
It's just such a,
Satisfying, huh?
yeah. How does it just go through the tape and into the foam?
Just melt it. Melts it all.
It melts the foam.
Melts the foam and the tape, both.
So it's just, what is melted foam like?
It's like butter. Almost.
Don't want it to catch on fire.
It's a hot nichrome wire. So I have pictures of it. And I can talk about it in my video. I'm just making a little how-to video to show off this tool, because people always ask me, what is that tool? How did you make it? You noobs probably can't do it and make it look pretty like this. Okay, you can stop it.